it's Minihero Mia, and I'm playing if you see Subway Surfer. This is my first time playing with you guys in Subway Surfer. This is that Mango Man.
Hey, I'm currently recording a YouTube video.
Yep, in this first gameplay video, you can check that out in the description below. So yeah, I'm gonna be calling you guys the
Mini-me's.
The Mini-Mias, yeah. The Mini-Mias, because Minihero Mia, Mini. Yeah.
Okay, we're back.
And and the Mango Man's making a video too. His first gameplay.
I don't know what I should call them.
Your first gameplay video.
The money mangoes. 95-year-old mangoes. I don't know.
Okay, so yeah, let's get straight to it.
Mangoes?
That's why I made this video. So yeah, let's go.
Leave a like if you want more. Nope, that's the odd ones out.
And also, I'm Minihero Mia. Subscribe and like.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
Thanks, guys, for 7 views. That's good for my first video. Oh, 8 views. Okay.
No, 8 views.
Okay, let's read your guys' comments. There's only 2, and I responded to both of them. So the first one, her name is Hang Mail. Hold on, let me see if I can get that.
So yeah. Okay, so this is my first Subway Surfer video, if you could say. And you guys are the best, because a lot of 6 subscribers have subscribed to me, I think, or 5, I don't know. But I think it's 6, so I'm going to give a shout out to you guys, subscribe, I don't know who they are, but thank you guys for subscribing. It's coming out very fast, so stay tuned to that. Oh my gosh, I wasn't paying attention. My hands are very sweaty. I'm not going to double up from that. So yeah, enjoy the video. Yeah.
Okay, so thanks, guys. She said good luck with your channel, and I wrote to her, thanks, but you gotta be the one that makes a good channel. Because when you guys show your support, that's what makes a good channel. So we're gonna hop into one more round, and then we might end this video after that. So yeah. Ooh, look at that truck. I wanna buy a car. Hello? It's me. This is a dog who's asking for... Took you over! No. Bo. No. Okay. So, I'm going to do this really quickly. I'm going to end the video. Come on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button if we get 3 likes. And stay mango-y, stay fresh, stay ripe, stay balanced.
Shh, we're making videos.
I just ended it.
Okay, so what are you guys eating?
I don't know. I'm trying to make a video.
Recording. Okay.
I'm gonna end this
Let's go
soon.
upload the video.
I'm not uploading mine. Can you please be quiet?
5 minutes and then get out. Got it?
Okay.
The whole conversation. Time to go and edit my YouTube video.
Can you please? Okay, so yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Bye. Bye guys. And smash that like button. And I'm going to give this video like maybe 2 likes. 2 likes. 2 likes. And
Stay mini and stay a hero.
yes, okay.
That should be your outro.
Oh, whatever. And yeah, watch the Manga Man. He uploaded a video. And bye. Bye guys.